Yours is in the lid.
Come on!
Hi guys, Tion here, and today I'm going to be doing a review on Little Pet Little Frogs, and they've been sent to me by Moose Toys. So thank you so much, Moose Toys, for sending me them. And I've got one that comes with a lid and then a lily pad that's got a flower on. And this one is just like a single little pet frog. And they have names. So I'm going to be opening them, and they are also water toys and they can walk on land. So that's pretty cool. Boing, boing,
Ribbit, 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 ribbit.
boing, boing, boing. There's 4 Little Pet Frogs to collect, and I've got this one, and it's the green one, and it's called Splashberry, and I've also got a blue one, and that one is called Sparkler, and they're for ages 5+. Woo! There is a free Little Pet app that you can download. So now I'm going to open up these 2 Little Pet Frogs, and we need some water, guys, because don't forget, these are water toys and they're land toys. So here's Sparkler and Splashberry out of the box, but Sparkler's in his little carrying case. And Sparkler is on this little lily pad, and it's got a flower, and then it says Little Pets at the top and at the on a lily pad. And these are a little bit like the turtles, like they're water ones as well.
They've got rubber feet, haven't they, the frogs?
Yeah. And this one, when you do it like that, it looks like a strawberry.
Oh yeah. Super cute that one is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Shall we get Sparkler out then?
Yeah. Be gentle. Sparkler!
Come and say hello to, what's the other one?
Splashberry. Best friends. Should I test one out?
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to turn them on. This one.
Oh!
This one's not going anywhere. Come on. That is cute, that is. Sparkler's having some trouble. Might need you to turn this on.
Wow.
Ah.
Oh, they're super cool there, aren't they?
Oh, they missed! Watch Splashberry! Oh, he jumped into your hand!
Oh, look at that!
Oh, he jumped into my hand!
Look at him, he's jumping over my hand. He's trying to get over. Look.
Oh,
Look, watch. Look. He's going to get over there, look. Come on, Splashberry! Yay!
Yeah! Okay, so let's put the lily pad in.
Plop.
Float.
So, Splashberry.
Or should I turn it on first?
Turn him on, yeah, let's get him in, eh? Oh.
Ooh. Should I take the
Okay.
lily pad out? Or
It's
should I
alright, leave the lily pad in, it'll be
Look,
fine, isn't
it's
it?
like it's underwater.
I think you need some company. Sparkle.
What? Sparkler. That one is
So,
straight.
right, okay, so they're just
That one's
kicking.
going under the lily pad.
He's gone under the lily pad.
Ooh.
Put him on so he can have another jump.
Whoa, it's brilliant.
Come on.
Is this friend? 1, 2. Oh! That
Kicked all
was.
that water out.
You are naughty, Sparkler. Because the feet were right there and then it splashed out.
Ooh.
Not on me. Oh, fell backwards. Let's see strawberries. Strawberry or, well, not strawberry, Splashberry. It almost camouflages, kind of, with the lily pad. Look.
So Splashberry didn't kick any water, just let her know.
No, shall we see if you will?
Yeah, let's see if he just kick some water. Oh!
They like land on their back.
Oh!
It fell off the side. How have I put them both on?
Oh yeah.
I don't know if they'll fit both, but right, it's moving everywhere.
See if you can get them both on.
Oh! It flicked all over me! Naughty! I think that was Splashberry that time actually.
Oh, that was loads of water what came out there.
Not in the face. So now Sparkler and Splashberry are going to have a race, and it's the first
one to get to here. First one to go boom on the side is the winner. Right?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on, Sparkles!
Splashberry!
Sparkles! Sparkles!
Uh-oh! Yours is in the lead!
Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Let's just see who touches it first. Oh, Tiana's yours one. Race number 2.
Look at yours.
Here we go.
Okay, race number 2.
3, 2, 1. Come on, Sparkles. Come on.
Come on, Splashberry. You can.
Oh, yes. Look at that. Yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
They're getting tangled up. Look. They actually.
Come on, get there. Just hit the
Come
side
on,
first.
Splashberry.
Who's
Splashberry.
Go! That was me. Surely Sparkles was first then.
Winner gets a free ride. The winner gets a free ride.
Sparkles was first then. Listen, you guys in the comments down below, let us know which one won that last race.
Okay, Sparkles is going to follow Splashberry very slowly too.
Sparkles or
Splashberry.
on that second race.
Splashberry. Woo! Whoa! Spin. Woo!
Oh,
Look
no.
how kick in the water. Woo! Woo!
Oh, big
what
splashes
you
from the
done,
frogs.
Shall I drop?
Yeah.
Woo!
Cool.
Woo! Bayo of the Conga. So the champion of the race, Splashberry.
No. Champion of the race.
No,
Sparkles.
no,
Yes.
no.
You won
Let us
one.
know in the comments down below.
Okay, then let's. Hey guys, you hear that? You decide in the comments down below which frog won them races. We know that Splashberry won the first race, yeah, but Sparkles I think won the second race.
Come on, guys, choose me. But I will say one thing: it didn't touch the end; it touched the side.
No.
These little pet frogs are so much fun, and I really think that Splashberry won the second race.
Let the people who's watched the video decide in the comments down below. Okay, then we'll know. Okay.
Yes, and thank you so much, Moose Toys, for sending me them. They're so much fun.
Yeah, they are fun. They are fun.
And they're cute as well.
Yeah, they're super cool.
Yes, and I've got an announcement.
Have you now?
Yes.
Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah. Go on then.
And it is, I'm going to a special event called Kitropolis! Yay! And I've seen quite a few people do it, and it looks like lots of
Oh yeah, it's like a family fun day out, isn't it? Okay, Kitropolis, guys. So yeah, Tiana's going to be going to Kitropolis. It's going to be on, is it the 25th of October in the school holidays, half term? And that gives you guys a chance to meet Tiana. She's going to be doing some fun activities on the day there. She would love to meet some of you guys.
Yeah.
She's so excited. So please come down and see Tiana. And yeah, she'll love to say hello and yeah, maybe have some fun. Yeah.
tickets.
Yeah.
And you'll also see the family.
Yes, definitely. We're all going to be going down there. And we've got a video, what's going to play after this video. It's a short video, about 1.5 minutes, and it tells you all about Kitropolis.
Yeah, so excited.
So make sure you watch the video and you can decide if you're going to come down or not. And there's all sorts happening there, guys. It's so much fun. It's for families, kids. They'll enjoy it.
And is there going to be other YouTubers down there?
Oh yeah, there's going to be other YouTubers down there as well. They'll see when they watch this video. So make sure you watch the video, what's going to play after this video, then you know all about it. And please come down and meet Tiana. She wants to meet some of you.
Even though I've met quite a lot of people already.
Well, that's just by coincidence when you've been going out about, but you really like to meet people properly, won't you? You know, your fans.
Yeah, it's a bit like a meet and greet.
Well, it will be. So yeah. You'll be able to see them and you'll be able to say hello and have a little talk about your channel or whatever. Take some photos if they want to and stuff, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe sign some like things.
Whatever. So yeah, just come down, guys, and meet Tiana, yeah?
Yeah, it'll be lots of fun. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and the next video.
Yeah, of course.
I see you guys soon. Bye.
We're going to Metropolis! And you can come too. Guinness World Records like
Party play a Minecraft hub with prizes.
have fun!
Excel, London, 25th, 26th, 27th October. Kidtropolis.co.uk.
Get your tickets now!
Be there! It's gonna be epic!